In the year 1274 BC, two mighty empires, Egypt and Hatti, stood on the precipice of a cataclysmic confrontation. Pharaoh Ramses II, the Great, ruler of Egypt, and King Muwatalli II, the Strong, leading Hatti, were on a collision course, their armies amassed on the banks of the Orontes River. The stage was set for the Battle of Kadesh, a conflict that would echo through history, a testament to the ambition and courage of two ancient leaders. Ramses II, a man who would later carve his name in stone to immortalize his victories, confronted Muwatalli II, a cunning strategist known for his military prowess. The Egyptian army, a formidable force, marched forward, their loyalty to the pharaoh unwavering. Chariots gleamed under the desert sun, shields reflecting the brilliance of the Nile's waters, while the Hittite army stood firm, prepared to defend their lands. The battle commenced with a deafening roar, the clash of steel reverberating across the land. Chariots stormed the battlefield, archers unleashing a storm of arrows. The air was filled with the cries of the wounded and the roar of the victorious. Yet, fate had a different plan. A heavy rainstorm descended upon the battlefield, turning the sands into a morass, halting both armies in their tracks. The gods, it seemed, were watching, their hands guiding the course of this epic struggle. In the midst of this chaos, Ramses II, riding his chariot, saw an opportunity. He led a charge, breaking through the Hittite lines. The pharaoh's courage inspired his soldiers, and together they pushed forward. Muwatalli II, realizing the tide was turning, ordered a chaotic retreat. The Hittites fled, their once invincible army in disarray. Ramses II pursued, but the rain had damped his momentum, and the Battle of Kadesh ended in a stalemate. Though no clear victor emerged, the Battle of Kadesh marked a significant moment in history. The clash of these two great empires would shape the future of the ancient world, a testament to the enduring spirit of combat and the eternal dance of power among nations. In the end, both Ramses II and Muwatalli II returned to their respective lands, their legacies forever intertwined in the annals of history. The Battle of Kadesh, a conflict that could have been a catastrophe, became a story of cunning, courage, and the indomitable will of two great leaders.